How are you all? I hope you are all fine. We'll go to the next topic. Today I'm going to continue the topic shapes and spatial understanding. All of you take your textbooks. Page number 10. Do this activity. All of you take out your textbook and do these activities. Today we will do. Okay. If you don't have textbook also, no problem, children. Go through this video and write down that question in your notebook and try to answer the question. Okay, children. Now, some shapes are given below. Start reading. Some shapes are given below with different colors. Color the shapes in the picture with the same color as shown below. Here few shapes are given and be filled with particular color. Triangle shape, green color, and circle shape, blue color, rectangle shape, red color, and square shape, yellow color. These shapes are filled with a particular color. Now, use that color to fill up the shapes. Okay. For triangle, use only green color. And for circle, use only blue color. And for rectangle, use only red color. And for square, use only yellow color. First, you have to count how many triangle shapes are there in this given peacock picture. Okay, how many triangle shapes are given in this picture? Count here. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, and this big triangle. Total 7. How many triangles are there in the given picture? 7. Okay, children. Now, how many circles are there in the given picture? 1 big circle. Face you see. 1 and small eye. 2 and this neck part. 3 and this body part. Total how many circles? 4. And here inside the tail you see 5 and 6. Totally how many circles are there in the given picture? Total 6 circles are there. Understood, children? Now, how many rectangle shapes are there in the given picture? Identify first. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And did you find anywhere? No. Here only inside the tail we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangle shapes. So you note down 4 here. Now, how many square shapes are given in the picture? Once observe here on the body, anywhere you will find any square shape? No. Okay, first inside the tail, once you observe carefully, square means all sides are equal. 1, 2, 3. And anywhere you will find a? No. Total how many squares are given? 3. Okay, children. Now counting of shapes are finished. Now, what did he ask us to do? Color the shapes in the picture with the same color as shown below. Now, you know how many triangles are there in the given picture, how many circles are there in the given picture, how many rectangles are also there in the given picture, and how many squares are there in the given picture. Now, you have to start coloring. Use crayons. Use only 4 crayons. Whatever colors he told to use us, that colors only we have to use. Okay, children. What colors we have to use? Green, blue, red, yellow. These 4 colors only you have to use, and you have to complete this activity. Okay, wherever triangle shape is there, fill up that shape using green color. Okay, wherever you have circle shape, use blue color crayon and fill up. And wherever you will find rectangle shape, use red color to fill up the shape. And use yellow color to fill up the square shape. Okay, you do this activity. Can you do this activity on your own? Very good. I know you will do on your own this activity. Okay, children. Now, after coloring, I will check your notebooks and textbooks. Okay, when you will come to school, I will check your textbook whether you did or not. Then I will come to know. I will check your textbook. Complete today. This is your homework. Today's homework is complete this coloring work. Okay, children, complete this coloring work. Next, we'll go to the next topic. Look at the picture of the peacock and answer the following. Just now, we counted how many triangles are there in the given picture. How many triangles are there in the given picture? Already we counted and we wrote answer in the page. Now, how many circles are there in the given picture? How many circles are there in the given picture? You know already 6 circles are there in the given picture. Okay. How many triangles? Already we counted now. How many triangles we got? Total 7 triangles we got in the given picture. How many squares we got, children? Total 3 squares we got in the given picture. This question is related to the previous activity. Okay, this question is belongs to this activity. So second question, answers you will get from this activity. So carefully count and write down the answers in the given blank. Okay. Now, come to the next question. Read along with me. How many rectangles are there in each picture? Count and write in the blank. Okay. Here one shape is given and here one more shape is given. Now he is asking to count how many rectangles are there in the given picture. Okay. You know, rectangle means it has 4 sides and opposite sides are equal. Okay, children. Opposite sides are equal. Now, this bit I'll show you on this sheet of paper. First, I'm drawing the given shape. Look at it carefully. Observe this carefully. Like this, he has given in the textbook. Okay, children. Now, he is asking us to count how many rectangle shapes are there in the given picture. Okay. First, okay. Now I am using one crayon to show you how many rectangles are there in this given picture. First one, how many rectangles are there in this given picture? First one rectangle is one, this one. Okay, 1. And second one is middle one, middle rectangle. 2. And third rectangle is this. 3. Total how many over? 3 rectangles are over. Now small rectangles are counted. 1, 2, 3. And now you observe carefully. Okay, this is also one rectangle. Okay, children. That is also one rectangle. Total how many rectangles we have? Total 4 rectangles we have. Note down this answer in your textbook. Note down that answer in your textbook. Total how many rectangles we have, children? 1, 2, and 3, and bigger one. Okay, total 4 rectangles we have. Note down. your answer in the given blank. 4. Now observe this picture carefully. Okay, here rectangles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and this one is one rectangle, and this box is one more rectangle, and this one rectangle, and this last box also representing the shape of a rectangle. Okay, total how many small rectangles can you see directly? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now observe carefully. Now I am drawing with my pencil. See, already 4 we got. Okay, now observe carefully. I am tracing. Okay, this is one more rectangle. See, this is also one more rectangle. Total how many over? More 2. More 2. Okay, now you see. This is one rectangle. Okay, and this is also one more rectangle. Total more, how many rectangles I got? More, 2 more I got. Okay, now observe carefully. Small rectangles I got 4, and these 2 boxes also. Okay, these 2 boxes also looking like a rectangle shape only. So these 2 boxes also 2 rectangles, and now you see, and these 2 boxes also representing 2 rectangles. So total how many I got up to now? 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Now you see, observe carefully. And this is one more big rectangle in the given picture. Total how many I got? 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. In total how many rectangles I got now? 9. Okay children, understood now? Okay, now come to the next question. How many triangles are there in each picture? Count and write in the blank. Okay, how many triangles are there in each picture? Count and write in the blank. He's asking, count how many triangles are there in each picture, and he's asking us to count and write in the blank. Now observe this question carefully. Okay, I'm using my pencil again. First count small triangles. See, how many small triangles we have in this picture? 1. And this is 2. And this one 3. And middle one. Total 4 small triangles I got. Okay. Now observe carefully this given picture. And now I have one more triangle, which is big triangle. See, this is one more triangle. 4 small triangles and 1 big triangle. Total how many triangles I have? Total 5 triangles I have. Okay children, 5 triangles I have. Now see this picture carefully. Now first you count the small triangles. Small triangles. Count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, total 6 triangles I have. 6 triangles, small triangles I have. Now observe carefully and identify big triangles. Okay, here you see. This is one big triangle I can identify. Okay, one big triangle. Now this one also big triangle. Okay. Total, how many triangles I have identified? 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Total 8 triangles are there in the given picture. Now, come to the next question. Read the question. Count and write. Count and write. Now, here one picture he has given. Okay. Now, observe the given picture carefully. Now, in this given picture, 3 shapes are there. The 3 shapes you have to identify and their number. Okay, children, first you identify the shape and their number also. No need to color, children, just count and write how many shapes are given in the picture. First you have to identify number of rectangles. Okay, first you have to identify how many rectangle shapes are given in the picture. Now, let's start. Okay, first, this is one rectangle, see. By seeing that picture only, you can identify easily 2 rectangles, top one and bottom one. Okay, 2 rectangles are identified easily, 1 and 2. Okay, this is one rectangle and this is second one. Okay, now this one also a rectangle. Okay, this one is third one and this one also one more rectangle. Okay, more rectangles will you get once you observe? 1 and 2 and 3 and fourth one. Okay, total how many I got? 4 rectangles I got. Now, observe carefully how many triangles are there. How many triangles are there in the given picture. Now, first you have to identify small triangles. Small triangles. Okay, use your pencil. If you miss your counting also, you can rub and do again that activity. Use your pencil. Better to use your pencil. Don't use pen in your textbook and notebook. Okay, children. Okay, now observe carefully. Small. First, he is asking count how many triangles are there in the given picture. First, you count small triangles. 1. Okay, this one. And this is the small triangle. Second one. In one box, we have 2 triangles. 1 and 2. And in this box, 2 triangles. 3, 4. And in this box, 2 more triangles. 5 and 6. And in this box, 2 triangles. 7, 8. Total, how many small triangles I have? 8. Now, only 8 we have. Once you observe, carefully observe. Only small triangles are there. More big triangles, can you find it? Find it. Okay, only small this size only there are. Small size triangles only there are. Little bit big size triangles also there are in this given picture. Once you observe carefully and try to find it. Yes. Understood, no? Here small triangles counting is over. Now I am going to count bigger triangles. See. 1. This is the first triangle. First one means big triangle. 2. How many big triangles are there? Now you observe carefully. Sorry. Okay. First triangle is this, big one. And second one is this. Third one is this. And fourth big triangle is this. Okay, total how many big triangles I got now? 4. Okay, more triangles will you see anywhere? No. Total 8 plus 4, 12 triangles. So total number of triangles are 12. Now how many squares are there? Squares means 4 sides. A square has 4 sides and all sides are equal. See this shape. This is a square. Why? Because all sides are equal. So how many squares are there? Identify how many squares are given in the picture. Okay, I'll clear first the numbers. Then you'll identify how many number of squares are given in the picture. Now children, get the picture carefully. This is a square, number 1, and one more square. This is the third square. And this is the fourth square. Small square counting is finished. Now, can you find square in this picture? More squares can you see? Yes. You have one more square in the middle of the picture. Here you see this is also a square. 4 sides are equal. Okay. Next. Total 4 small squares and middle one square. Okay, this is also one square. And can you see one more square? Yes. This is also a square. Big square. Can you see this? This is also a square. Total, how many squares we have? 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. Total, 6 squares are there in the given picture. Okay, children? Understood? I hope you understood. Okay, please note down today's homework. Page number. Today's homework is do activity 2 and activity 3. Okay, page number 9, activity 2. Try to do this activity, okay, on your own. Read this question. Pooja and her brother started arranging some matchbox on a paper. Can they arrange them without leaving any gap? Okay, you know, matchbox shape is a rectangle shape. Actually, matchbox is a good example for which shape, Amma? 3D shape? Yes, cuboid. Okay, Pooja and her brother started arranging some matchboxes on a paper. Okay, can they arrange them without leaving any gap? First, you take few matchboxes. Okay, remove first match sticks from that matchbox. Okay, and in presence of your parents, only you have to do this activity. If they are not ready to give matchbox, don't insist them. Okay, you use any other cuboid shape. Okay, children, not only matchbox, you will have a soap box also. Okay, collect a few soap box and arrange on a paper. Correct. Okay, now after arranging that soap boxes on a paper, with any gap will you see on the paper? Okay, here you write down the answer. Okay, can you see any gap? If you see any gap, you write yes. Okay, yes, there is a gap. If you are not getting any gap, okay, yes, you write now. No, there is no gap. Okay, there is no gap. Now, this activity you do on your own. Now, they took some bangles and placed them on a white paper. You take few bangles, okay, and arrange them, okay, arrange them like this only, okay, one after one you arrange, and is it possible arrange them without any gaps on the paper? Actually, I want to say one thing to you. When you will arrange a rectangle shape, square shape, okay, you will not have any gap. You will not get any gap in between, okay. In between the object, you will not have any gap when you will arrange on a paper. If you will arrange bangles, curved shape objects, you will find some gap, okay. You will have some gap in between the object, okay. You do this activity, then you will understand, okay. Now, come to the next topic. Through this activity, take a paper, fold it as shown in the picture, and make a boat. Okay, all of you know how to make a boat, I know. Children, okay, take a piece of paper first, fold it. You follow this given instruction, and then you can make a boat. Okay, and you make a boat on your own. Okay, children, you can try. Then you can make a boat. Follow these instructions carefully, then you will definitely make a boat. Okay, after doing this activity, come to the next activity. Take a piece of paper and try making a boat yourself. Okay, after following this instruction, definitely you will make a boat on your own, children. Okay, then try to make a rocket. Okay, same rocket also very easy to make. Okay, follow the instruction. If you don't know, I'll show you how to make a rocket in the next class. Okay, children? Thank you. Have a nice day.